Alright, so we're here at Classic Motors. We're getting ready to tear into this 2F motor that we brought here yesterday. Basically what we're going to do today is we're just going to tear it all down, start cleaning some parts, and then we're going to be talking about performance-wise what we want to do to the motor. So, hope you enjoy the ride.
It's not my fault, come on. I suppose it's society.
I think we should go now.
Hey everybody, how are y'all doing? I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I certainly did. Unfortunately, I was not able to get as much footage as I'd like to as we dismantled the 2F. That was kind of because I was sitting right between two 1931 Fords and I certainly didn't want to mess those guys up. So moving forward, I will make sure that I get as much possible footage of the machining process as we go to rebuild the rest of the 2F. It was definitely a huge privilege to be at Classic Motors, and again, huge thank you to Evan for giving me his time and access to his shop. Moving forward, I'd love it if you could subscribe, like, and share the videos. If this is the type of stuff that you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below so I can continue making content like this for you guys. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.